two rosters of Japanese Army hospitals that cooperated with the Unit 731, a Japanese germ warfare army during World War II, have gone on public display for the first time in Harbin, northeast China's Heilongjiang province. The rosters, compiled by the Japanese Kwanton Army in August 1940, were made public on Sunday at the Exhibition Hall of Evidences of crime committed by Unit 731 of the Japanese Imperial Army. The new discoveries further suggested that the Japanese Army hospital in Harbin was closely related to Unit 731 and was an extension of medical crimes committed by Unit 731.
表格中记载了24座陆军兵院的高等官职员名单。这次档案的发现呢，是我们对七三幺部队军医协同犯罪问题研究的一个重要补充，具有重要的史料价值。
Unit 731 was a top-secret biological and chemical warfare research base established in Harbin as the nerve center for Japanese biological warfare in China and Southeast Asia during World War II.